What is up, everybody? It's your boy, Real Estate Investor Sav, at our South Windsor legal conversion. It's been a long time since I gave you an update, so I thought I'll come down and just run quickly of what we've done since the last time. So the last time we had insulation up, and now we have drywall. Not only that, we got paint too. So you can see over here, this is the hallway. We actually had some issues with the inspector on this one, but it's all solved now. Basically, because this is a separation between the lower unit or the common area here and the kitchen of the upper unit, we had to secure that with Roxol safe and sound insulation, not only for fireproofing but for sound barrier. So we had to go all the way up and all the way down here. Double layer 5/8 drywall type X for fire separation. So yeah, but you know, you learn all that stuff as you go. Easy. And welcome to our unit. So we come down the landing. This is a common area. Well, common area, it's actually for the lower unit. We're gonna put a closet in here. So you come in here, it's gonna be tile, and then they can get their shoes and boots off in the winter and hang up their coats and stuff. More storage space, right? And we walk into the unit, you can see our steel door here, fire rated steel door, 45 minutes, another one in the laundry room, separating the laundry room from the actual unit. And they walk into the unit and boom, looky, looky, looky. It's all done when it comes to drywall, ceiling, and exterior walls. So if you remember, we had sprayed insulation over there, R21. We have Roxol safe and sound in the ceiling, sound barrier proof, fire rated proof, so type X. We have our exhaust going out to the kitchen, for the kitchen stove, going out to the front of the house. This is all going to be kitchen. It's going to be a U-shaped kitchen, fridge, dishwasher, counter, sink, counter, stove, above the range microwave, counter, and then we're going to have a peninsula coming out here too. So it's going to be beautiful. Granite countertop, IKEA kitchen, a lot of space. And then you come to the living room. So you can envision already, you have an L-shaped couch in the living room right here, facing your big screen TV on this wall. You can't go wrong. So you can see all the drywall's done. And we have come to the finishing stage. So let me walk you through the bedroom. So we have, in this hallway, on the right-hand side, we have one bedroom right there with a big window, egress window. It does all the doors that have to go up, the internal doors. And then for this bedroom, it has its own walk-in closet. And that's a pretty big walk-in closet. So according to the original plan, this walk-in closet was supposed to be on this side, and this door entrance was supposed to be on this side. But you know, when the framers start working, they got some good ideas. So get your framers involved with your designer. So, you know, they know what they're doing when it comes to layout, especially guys who are experienced. They can give you good ideas on what should be done to optimize the space. So I took my framer's suggestion in this one, and we swapped the door. Instead of this being the main entrance, entrance to this bedroom, we put it over here. And then we have this beautiful walk-in closet for this room, which is supposedly the smaller of the rooms, because this room here is the bigger, or if you will, the master. And you can see here, that was the old chimney. But another big window, a lot of bright light coming in. Look, there's no lights in this, by the way, so far. So this is all natural light, and it's snowing outside. Today is April 15th. It's snowing outside. We passed Easter, guys. So good lighting for this bedroom, I like it. Has its own master closet here. We're gonna put double mirrored sliding doors in here. So it's gonna be beautiful. This could be a workspace or a dressing table, if you will. Bed on this side. So pretty big bedroom. I love how my guys finished the drywall, window sills, all drywall, so we don't have to worry about jams and trim on the inside. And you have a big window ledge, so you can actually put stuff on it, a plant or something, make it look even more beautiful. Back behind this is the bathroom. So let's go there right now. And we're going into the bathroom. Now look at this. This is a huge bathroom. A big, beautiful bathroom. So we walk in here. Here's a toilet. Here's the bathtub, as you can see. We put the dent shield up, tiling is starting tomorrow. And then I have a little linen closet on this side too. So we have this extra space. I said, let's put a linen closet in here. So more storage, you know, each bedroom has its own closet, walk-in closet. Plus we have that common closet on the outside. Then we have linen storage on the inside, cabinets in the kitchen. There's a lot of storage. Vanity, mirror, light fixture on this side. So it's a big, big bathroom, to be honest. A very big bathroom. We got an exhaust fan in there that we put in, going out to the front of the building or the back of the building. We got pot lights in here, and we're gonna have our own vanity light fixture over here. So beautiful. Actually, it's quite spacious. Once these walls came up, it's even more spacious. So 2-bedroom, 1 bath, kitchen, beautiful unit. We're starting flooring tomorrow. You can see here's all the flooring stuff. LVP, gotta go LVP of the basement. You gotta. Shout out to High Neighbor Flooring for supplying this on short notice, even in the COVID environment. That's what I got. Works out to $240, $250 a square foot. We got the underlayment here. Can't go wrong, 20 cents a square foot. Underlayment, nice stuff. We got all the mortar and grout for the tile and the nose caps for the steps. Here's our tile for the bathroom. So, what do we got? We got flooring. We got my electrician coming in to finish up all the electrical stuff. And then we got the kitchen. Bathroom vanity, bathroom toilet. And we're good to go. Ready to rent. I hope you guys been enjoying this project. Obviously, I'm going to show you the final finished product, but if you have any questions about legal conversions in South Windsor specifically, well, it doesn't matter where it is, but you know, that's where I do mine, in South Windsor. Then DM me on this post or hit me up, Real Estate Investor Sav, all one word, Real Estate Investor Sav, IG, Facebook, and YouTube. All right, catch you in the next one. Peace.